Hello viewers, this is Rafi once again. Welcome to this new video where I'm going to show you how much I am making with this small YouTube channel which has a little over 20,000 subscribers and it is reaching out to its very first 1 million views. And I'm very happy because I'm making the money while I'm helping people by sharing my knowledge and real life experience about how I make money by doing simple virtual assistant tasks, data entry, web researching, lead generation jobs. And let me show you the video playlist. So if you're interested in that, you will be able to learn the skills. So here I have shared how to do email marketing. So this is a complete course. If you're interested, you can watch those videos and you'll be able to learn the everything about email marketing. Okay, and then here we have got make money on Fiverr. And if you want to learn about data entry jobs, then here I have got 23 videos. If you watch those videos of any playlist, then you will be able to get ready to start working as a freelancer online and make a good amount of money as I am doing. You'll be able to find more about my freelancing journey here on this playlist. Okay, how much I make per month and etc, and what are the jobs that I do. All right, so these are the lessons that I share for free, and now I'm getting a good amount of money from YouTube but when I'm helping you guys by sharing these video lessons for free with you all. Okay, so now let me show you from my YouTube studio, but before that I'd love to show you from Social Blade to give you an idea if it is providing us the real starts of any person's income. So here I'm putting my username Acharul Rafi and make search. Here we have got the channels with my name here, Ajhar Rafi. This one is the channel. So here you can see I have got 136 uploads, all of these with the intention of helping people, and now they're the assets of making money. Okay, so just click on it and you will see here a rough estimation of how much I am making. So as of Social Blade, I am making in between 47 to 758 dollars per month and 568 to 9.1k per year. And you will be able to find more information about how many subscribers I am getting per day, as you can see daily average, and how many viewers I am getting, and the rough estimation of how much I'm making per day. Okay, so let me show you from my YouTube dashboard here. So when I'm making this video, I have got 20,324 subscribers and I have made 834 US dollars from last 28 days from 191k views. And let me show you more details about how much I make per month from this YouTube channel since I got the monetization. So click on analytics and we have to click here. Okay, so here you'll find the top performing videos. Okay, top videos, as you can see, and here real-time activities. But let me show you the monthly stats. So click on revenue and then you will find the details here, monthly estimated revenue which I have made from YouTube. So let me click on see more to show you from the beginning. So here on December 2018 I have got my monetization enabled, and on the first month I was able to make $66, and on January I have made the double 174, and on February I have made more than that to 237, and then the amount was increased until I reached out to the July. So on June I have made $786 on the single month, and in July I have made $784, then almost exact amount but little less than June. And on August, which is the running month, I have made $916 so far, and I believe I'll be able to make $940 from this month as I have one day remaining to be to get the count of USD added to the table. Okay, So let me show you how much I have made so far from the total views of the beginning of this YouTube channel. So I just have to click here on this button, and then I have to click on lifetime, and here you will see the stats. Here I have made $4,152, which is from December 12 2018. So if I just make it to 2019, so you'll see here $4,085 only from 2019. Okay, by sharing my knowledge for free to peoples, by helping peoples. Okay, so if I intend to show you the top performing video, so here are the videos that is performing well for me. So the first one is here, get paid Udemy courses for free, which made me 653 US dollars. And the second one is how to get email address from LinkedIn, which has made 294 US dollars. And the third one is online data entry work best tutorial for beginners, which has made $241. And the next one is collect targeted email address from Facebook, which has made $219 for me. So this is a win-win situation, guys. So if you have got something to share to the world or with the world, then you can share it through videos on YouTube. And whenever you get monetization, to get monetization you need to have 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers by the last 12 months. Okay, so whenever you reach this threshold, then you'll be able to apply for your monetization, and when you get approval of the monetization, the ads will appear on your videos, and whenever someone clicks on those ads, you will get money from Google AdSense or from YouTube. Okay, so that's a very easy process. Just share your knowledge to people. They will say good words, they will love you, they will pray for you, and in addition, as a bonus, you are going to get a good amount of money, as I have just showed here. If I just count the monthly amount here, 784, 786, 581, 916 additional amount to your regular income. That's a good amount, as you can see, and as you can see, it is increasing. So it could be a great source of income, as you can see. Okay, so just start making videos, uploading on YouTube, and just reach out to the threshold, and it'll be all set to make money for free on YouTube. I have never ever invested any money on YouTube. Okay, and I'm actually getting these revenues for free. So I hope this video was motivational to you, and if you found this video helpful and resourceful, please like this video and share this video to let others know about the opportunity to make money online for free and to help others as well. And please subscribe to my channel to learn more about how you can make money online for free without investing any single dime. So I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.